Back with another video. Appreciate all of y'all for tuning in on all my vlogs and daily adventures. I shouldn't say daily because I don't even upload daily, but weekly. I'm trying to be somewhat consistent on a weekly thing. But today I got the steering wheel in for the Celica, so we're gonna be installing that. And with that being said, I'm also gonna post clips from the diffuser I had did on the lip on the charger. So that wasn't there at first. And the next thing we have is a real diffuser that we're working on right now. So this is real diffuser for, I think, 2012 model RT. And we're trimming it to make it fit flush on the back of this one. So that's what we're working on now. So we just cut the tabs. The tabs will not make it fit. So we're trimming it and make it even so it's flush on the back of it. So here's the completed process of that. I mean, it looks way better. Like, it looks so much aggressive right now compared to how it was. Like, and mind you, that this diffuser came off 2012. Like, I got the diffuser for 2012. This is actually a 06. And I had to customize it to make it work, but it looks way better than what it did before. And I'm still debating whether I want to upgrade the wheels. I was looking at some 20s and putting 305s on the back so it can stick a little bit better. All right, so to start this process, I already removed the caps to cover the screws. So if you look right there, you'll be removing that screw because this was over the cover. So you'll be removing one, 2 and 3. Those 3 screws should give you access to remove this, and then we're gonna go from there. So, and here's the actual steering wheel that we're gonna be installing. It's a quick release steering wheel, so let's get started. Okay, and once you remove those 3 bolts, the one on this side and the 2 on this side, you're gonna detach this right here with this. I can't do it while I record, but once you remove this, you can remove the airbag. So that's gonna be the next step right there. Do that. Okay, so I got the car started and I don't have an airbag light on, but I just got my seatbelt. Of course, the door is open. So, but I got an oil light flashing right there. I don't know if you see it. And it never did that before, so I don't know. I got to figure that situation out. I'm just testing all the lights, putting my seatbelt on now to see if that light goes out. So my seatbelt light is still on with my seatbelt on, so that's another issue. Let me see if I do have stuff in the other seat, so.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So the airbag light is going to be on. I mean, not the airbag light, but the seatbelt light, that has nothing to do with this. The seatbelt light came from, these seats came from the Den Up generation. So these not the stock seats for this car. And I don't think the airbag, the seat sensor was connected when the seats were installed. So that has nothing to do with this. But the next thing we're gonna do is loosen this up so we are able to take the steering wheel off. All right, and once we have all of this disconnected, this is what's going on. So pretty much I had loosened the steering wheel up, so just for the video. It took me some time to get the steering wheel loosened up, but after everything's done, you can remove the steering wheel. Yeah, it's not gonna be that easy, but I did that for the video. And then I'm gonna remove this so we can place the hub. This has to get removed. These 2 screws. So let me get that. All right, and now that I have these 4 screws loose, we're gonna be removing this piece. And then unplug it, disconnect that. Okay, so I placed the hub on there. And pretty much I'm gonna tighten this down, line my steering wheel up. I'm not gonna put the quick release on there. I'm just gonna sit this on here. And my horn is not gonna work. I'm gonna have to rig something or do something to make my horn work. I'm just gonna come back and do that later, but I'm just gonna put the steering wheel on here for now. So let's get to that. That's it, and I'll just tighten these 6 screws up. I got it lined up, so now I'm gonna connect the battery to the car back up, and hopefully I won't have a whole bunch of lights, but I just needed the steering wheel on there now, and then we're gonna worry about everything else later. Just connect the battery. See where we at right now. Hopefully we won't have a bunch of lights. But the main problem is the freaking horn right now. I need this horn. Fuck. Put the cables all the way back on. Oh man. I got the oil pressure light still on. All right, that went out, that's good. The door, so I don't have no lights on. Just don't have no horn. But steering wheel lined up perfect. Looks good. Let me know what y'all think. See, I still see the light flashing. I think that's just, I gotta figure that out. That's just a sensor or something. But yeah, what y'all think? Gotta reset this. Turn this red, I guess, or something. Maybe green. Yeah, I'll probably do green since we got the green wheels over there that we putting on the car, so. All right, so there go the steering wheel installation for the Celica. When I do this, I'm not a professional or anything, so pretty much when I record, y'all learn it with me, because I don't know, I'm not gonna say I don't know nothing about cars, but I know enough to get the job done. Even me watching YouTube, that helps me with the process of the things I be doing. But yeah, so y'all learn with me. And the steering wheel looks good. I might have to fix the horn button to center it up because it's a little off, making the steering wheel look crooked, but it's on there correct. And then I have I'm probably gonna take it to my cousin's house to get the horn installed correctly, because I just didn't want to deal with it. I just wanted to install the steering wheel. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for tuning in to another video. And I appreciate your love. I'm out.